In this video, I am going to show you how to put data into your calculator so that you can do two things, so that you can get a line of best fit, and then so you can also get the correlation coefficient. So first thing, you need a calculator. Stop the video if you need to go get a calculator, but go ahead and get one, and here's how you start. So I usually go to New Doc. I'll say no. You want to start by going to List and Spreadsheet. We're going to use the data in this table over here, and we're going to go to the top. This will be like our X column. So we're going to put bags. You can spell bags. In the other column, we are going to put weight. So simply fill in the table with the information from the other table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needs to be put into the left column. In the right column, you want to put 2.3, 5.1, and so forth. And then click out of that last box. So you have your data put in. So we're going to use this to create a scatter plot now. So you can hit the home screen button. There's several ways to get here, but I usually just go down here to the bar graph, click that. So you've got your dots. If you'll click at the very bottom, this will open up. And click on it. You want this to be bags for the x-axis. Come over on this side, click. That will be weight. And you have your scatter plot. So a couple of days ago, we drew a line of best fit. You don't want to connect dot to dot, but you want to draw a line that goes through most of them, or has just as many points above as below. The calculator will actually draw the line for you. So the next step is to click on Menu, Analyze, Regression, and we want the MX plus B. So there's our slope, 1.77x plus 1.03 is our y-intercept. You can see that is approximately 1.03. And so the slope is rising at 1.77. Positive slope. We want to know how strong this correlation is. It looks pretty strong. So I would say this is a positive strong correlation. But there's something called the correlation coefficient. The variable R is used for the correlation coefficient. The calculator will find it for you. If you will now click on the home screen, go to the calculator symbol. It adds a new page for you. And click Menu again. This time we're going to hit Statistics, Stat Calculations, Linear Regression. Okay, so we need to type in bags, or you can use the arrow and click to the right and you'll have choices. So we could just get bags that way. So either type it in or click on it and come over here and right arrow and find your choice. You can leave all the rest of this empty. Click OK, and there it is. R is 0.988. The closer that number is to 1, the stronger the correlation. And notice how it's positive. If this had been a negative correlation, there would have been a negative in front, and our graph would have gone down instead of up. And in that case, the closer it is to -1, the stronger the correlation is. But this is a very strong correlation. That is how you find the correlation coefficient and how to take some data and put it in a scatter plot in the calculator and find your line of best fit. Notice how the line of best fit was in the form of mx plus b. So once you have that, you know your slope and your y-intercept.